Hello students, this is class 6 geometry exercise 17a. Now this chapter is based on construction, and remember one thing, to draw construction use only pencil. I have used here pen so that it would be visible properly while making the video, but you should use only pencil. Now let us start number 1. So number 1 is draw a line AB and take a point P outside it, then draw a line CD parallel to AB and passing through the point P. So first of all we have asked draw a line AB. So with the help of scale draw a line AB of any length. I have taken 7 centimeter. So with the help of scale draw a line AB with 7 centimeter. Then at some distance take one point P. Okay, take one point P and then join this point. Okay, here you draw a line with the help of scale and join this point. Then take your compass and measure this one. Take any length and draw one arc like this. Take any length and draw one arc like this. Okay, then put your compass here and draw same arc, and remember don't change the length. Draw same arc, then keep your compass here. Okay, and you can change this one. And take the measure of this much. Okay, you can take this one measure and then keep here and cut like this. At this point it will cut, and then with the help of scale join this point and draw a straight line. Now this line is our CD and these two lines are parallel. So this is all our question number 1. And remember these two lines should be parallel, and this is a sign of parallel. So this is question number 1. Now question number 2. Now question number 2 is given. Draw a line AB and draw another line CD parallel to AB at a distance of 3.5 centimeter from it. So once again, first of all, draw a line AB of any length. I have taken 7 centimeter. Draw a line with the help of scale. You draw one line 7 centimeter, and at point A here you will make 90 degree. Okay, you will make here 90 degree. So 90 degree, as I told you, first of all you make one arc like this. Draw one arc. Okay, with whatever length you want to take, draw one arc like this, then keep here, cut one time, then again keep at this point, cut like this, and then cut like this. Okay, first cut like this line, and then cut like this, and then where it is cutting you put here and then cut like this. So at this point and this point, with the help of scale you will draw one dotted line. So this is our 90 degree. Similarly this side also you will draw 90 degree. Draw one arc like this, then keep at this point here, cut one time, then once again keep here and cut here. Okay, and then you will draw one here also 90 degree, and then with the help of scale you draw a dotted line. So this is our 90 degree. After that, distance is how much? 3.5 centimeter. So with the help of scale you measure a distance. With the help of scale take 3.5 centimeter. So with the help of scale take 3.5 centimeter. Okay, take 3.5 centimeter. Okay, and then you cut like this here, and then again cut like this here, and this point and this point join with the help of scale. So this line will become our CD. So this is all about question number 2, and then you keep the naming according to the question. Now question number 3 is also same. I have drawn here. So your homework is to complete this chapter exercise 17a, and once again remember, use only pencils to construct the figures. Thank you.